But you have a house. You're wearing it.
Well, it's really tiny. Gotta say, it's only a cardboard box.
Yeah, well, sometimes it's all you got. Just have to make the best of what you have.
So does that mean I can't live with you?
I don't know. Kids are smelly. What do you think? Are kids smelly?
I'm not smelly.
Homeless people are smelly too. Are you a homeless, smelly kid?
No, I'm not
Smelly homeless person kid? Okay, well, alright. If I give you that house over there, what will you give me? Baby kitty? No, baby kitty. Oh well.
What do you want?
I want fame and fortune and a Lamborghini.
What?
A Ferrari.
What does that mean?
It's a car.
I can't give you a car.
It's a really fancy car.
You think I have money?
Well, maybe you can grant wishes.
Yeah.
What?
But can I somewhere with you?
Okay, I guess so. But you have to give me baby kitty. Just let me pet her, maybe a little bit. Maybe I can just pet her. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Hello.